Hi, I'm Lori. I'm a new Lee's Air customer. I knew my unit hadn't been serviced for a couple years. I called Lee's Air for them to come out and service. Then the day of the appointment, the technician called to tell me he was coming, and also I got a picture of him on my text. They were very polite at the door, made me feel very comfortable. It was a technician and another trainee coming, so he was explaining everything to me. Asked if I had any problems in the house with any of the rooms being too warm, and if there are any issues I knew about. And I said no, but I just wanted, it to check before the summer. They went through the house and checked every room. They went in the attic, spent quite a bit of time there. He had an iPad with him and took pictures of things in the attic that I would never see. Came back to explain it all to me, showed me the part that was wearing. It did not need to be replaced then, but I could do it to save from it going out during the summer. It was not very expensive, and I chose to replace the part. They made me feel comfortable. They were very polite. I knew who was coming to my house before they got here. I just felt at ease with them in my home.